What are quadratic inequalities? In the previous chapter, we dealt extensively with quadratic equations, which are equations with one variable raised to the second power. Recall that the general formula of quadratic equations with one variable is shown in the following on screen. Where x is the variable, a, and b, are coefficients, numbers preceding a variable, and c, is a constant, numbers not followed by a variable. Obviously, linear inequalities must be similar to linear equalities except for the sign, which must be one of the four inequality signs explained in the previous tutorial. Hence, we obtain four possible general forms of quadratic inequalities. We have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Is an example of a quadratic inequality, as it contains a single variable raised to the second power at maximum. If the quadratic inequality is not in one of the four standard forms written previously, we must turn them into the standard form, where the most appropriate thing would be to have the coefficient a positive. For example, if the original quadratic inequality, we have the following shown on screen. We turn it into the standard form by applying the properties of inequalities explained in the previous tutorial. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Rearranging the terms from the highest to the lowest power yields, we have the following shown on screen. We said before that the coefficient must be positive. Therefore, we have to multiply both sides by -1. During this procedure, we must not forget to swap the direction of the inequality sign. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Example. Arrange the following quadratic inequalities to express them in the standard form. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. A. Applying the properties of inequalities yields, we have the following shown on screen. B. Applying the properties of inequalities yields, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 10.2.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 10.2.2, Solving Quadratic Inequalities. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.